Good morning, class. Welcome to UPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhika Devali. Class, as we have completed our poem, explanation of the poem, and now we have to start exercise of the chapter. First, we have to exercise number first. This is true and false. You have to write true, T for true, and F for false. After this, we have to complete central idea of the poem. So, central idea means class summary or gist of the poem. So I will send you pick up the central idea, then you have to write in your copy. So first watch the video and complete exercise number A, true and false. Then you have to write central idea.
Yes, class. The first exercise is about the text. Read and answer. Make the following statement as T for true and F for false. Means you have to write T if the sentence is true and you have to write F if the sentence is false. So there are only 4 sentences which are related to the poem. And this poem is written by Auden Nash, and he was an American English writer and poet. Okay, now we have to start exercise. The speaker feels that going for a dental treatment is both physical and mental torture. Yes, it is true. The speaker feels means yes, going to visit a dentist for some dental treatment is really both physical and mental torture. Second is the speaker is so nervous that he can barely move his head. Yes. The speaker is so nervous that he cannot move his hands. True. At the time of the dental treatment, every nerve in the speaker's brain feels agitation. Agitation means class unhappy, uncalm, okay, irritated. So it is again true. Fourth and the last, one goes to dental hoping that once the necessary medical intervention is over, she or he wouldn't have to go again. It will be again true. So class, there are only 4 statement and it is given here the answer. So this exercise we have to write in copy, and after this you have to write central idea. Central idea means class, yeah, there are so many students who are very confused. What is central idea? Central idea means what is the gist. Gist means what is the theme of the poem. So what is the theme of the poem? This poem is about dental treatment. Means it is like a torture when you go to visit a dentist. Okay, so here the poet is comparing mouth treatment with many other things like rod and drill and so on. So what is the theme? The theme is dental treatment, and it is horrible, means it is like a torture, both physical and mental torture. So you have to write in your own word what is the gist, what is the theme of the poem, and you also have to write how many type of part of speech and figure of speech are used in the poem. Also in central idea you also have to write such type of the thing. So I will send you, right now I don't have the central idea, I will write it. So class, I will send you, and then you have to write in your copy. Means what you have to write? You have to write exercise number A, this exercise in your copy. Okay, in your copy you have to write exercise number first and then central idea of the poem. So first write the poem, 4 paragraph, first 4 paragraph with poet. Remember class, you must have to write and you must have to learn the poet name, and you also have to learn these facts about the poet. In each and every chapter you must have to know about the writer. Okay, so what you have to write? First you have to write word meaning, poem, first 4 paragraph of the poem, then exercise number A, and after this you have to write central idea. So it's enough for today class. So from tomorrow we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 3.